What homeowners liability exclusions limit your coverage? Imagine trusting your insurance to protect you, only to find out some situations aren't covered when you need help most. That's why understanding what can limit your liability coverage is so important. Liability protection helps pay for injuries or property damage caused by you or your family members. But not everything is included, and knowing the exclusions can save you from surprises. First, liability coverage won't protect you if you intentionally cause harm. If you deliberately damage someone's property or hurt someone on purpose, your insurance won't cover those costs. It's meant for accidents, not intentional acts. Next, if you run a business from your home, any liability claims related to your work are usually excluded. For example, if a customer slips and falls during a home-based business, your homeowner's policy might not pay. You would need separate business insurance for those situations. Liability related to car accidents is another big exclusion. If you injure someone or damage property while driving, your auto insurance covers that, not your homeowner's policy. Also, some insurance policies exclude liability for certain dog breeds considered high risk, like pit bulls or Rottweilers. If your dog bites someone and your policy excludes that breed, the claim might not be paid. When your home is vacant or unoccupied for a long time, liability coverage can be limited or even excluded. Insurance companies see vacant homes as higher risk because no one is there to respond to issues. Events like nuclear incidents, acts of war, terrorism, or government actions are generally not covered under homeowners liability. These are considered extraordinary risks outside normal coverage. Liability claims related to professional services you provide, such as consulting or advice, are also excluded. If someone sues you for advice you gave, your homeowner's policy won't help. Injuries or damages from recreational activities on your property, like using a trampoline or swimming pool, may have limited or no liability coverage unless you add specific endorsements. Knowing these exclusions helps you make smarter choices about your coverage. For example, you might want to buy additional policies like umbrella liability insurance or flood insurance to fill in gaps. Regularly reviewing your policy with a trusted agent can clarify what's covered and what's not. This way, you can protect yourself and your family from unexpected costs that could come from liability claims.